What's up guys, Sarfo Carbell once again. In today's video, we're going to look at how to whiten the teeth here in Photoshop in just less than 1 minute. So let's get straight into the video. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to have my picture that I'm going to edit here in Photoshop like this. And then I'm going to create, if you look at the bottom here, I'm going to create a hue saturation layer. So there's a hue/saturation. You click on it like this and then it comes. Now let's pay attention. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. This is the picture we are editing. I'm going to click, make sure you have the master selected, they're not red or oranges. And you click on this hand tool that you have here. I mean the hand tool, yeah. When I click on the hand tool, I'm going to come, you get this eyedropper tool, and I'm going to select some particular areas here like this. You click and you drag to the left. Make sure you don't take it off. You drag to the left. So you can see, yeah, so we are done. Under 1 minute, the teeth are white. But wait, we can make it even better. And this is how we're going to do it. As you can see, this is the before and after, before and after, before and after. But this is what happens when you do this. You realize that not only did it affect the teeth, it affected the whole picture, and that's not what you want. You want it to only affect the teeth and not the whole picture. Here is where layer masks come in. So I'm going to enable this. This is the after, and this is the before, and this is the after. I'm going to do this. This is what I'm going to do. Are you looking at me? Yeah, you're looking at me. So this is how masks work. This is a mask. Right now you can see me, right? You can see the whole of me. But when I bring the mask here, you can't see me anymore. This is what happens when you have a black mask. The black mask hides everything behind. But then when the mask is white, you see the real thing. Black hides, white reveals. Black hides, white reveals. So Spider-Man's mask is going to be all black because it hides all his face. But Batman's mask is going to be all black by this area. And then the eyes are going to be white because those parts are revealed. I hope this analogy can help. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to select my mask here and press Ctrl and I to invert the mask. So as you can see now, the mask is black, and then what happens is that nothing is being shown here. If I should invert the mask back to white, realize that the effect that we just made is showing. So to black, it's not showing. To white, it's showing. Well, while we have that selected, we can select our brush tool here, like this, and then you select a soft brush. You want a soft brush, so the hardness should be almost 0 or 0, and then we'll come here. So what we're going to do, we're going to be painting white over the areas where we want that effect to appear. That's on the teeth. So you can use this bracket, the square brackets, to increase or decrease the size of your brush. And if you have caps lock on, make sure you turn it off so that you can actually get this. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to reduce the size of the brush, and I'm going to paint over the teeth like this, like so, over those areas like this. So I'm actually using white to paint over those areas so that they can be revealed. Yeah, so if you look at the mask here, over here, you can see those areas that I'm painting over, I'm painting the white over, are getting the effect that was initially there. And done. So this was before and this is after. You realize that it only affects the teeth. So guys, thank you so much for sticking to the very end of this video. Please make sure you drop the thumbs like button. It tells YouTube that this video is important so that people like us who are creatives can get a chance to be able to get access to this video. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button so you join the amazing family. Let's learn and let's grow together. And without much ado guys, I'm going to catch you in the very next video. Peace.